To set up a Venmo tip jar, start by downloading and installing the Venmo app on your smartphone if you have not already done so. Once installed, create a Venmo account or log in to your existing account. Next, navigate to the Settings or Menu section of the app, where you will find the option to create a tip jar or a business profile. Select this option to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to provide some basic information, including your name and the name of your business or the purpose of the tip jar. After providing the required information, you will need to verify your account. This typically involves linking a bank account, debit card, or credit card to your Venmo account. This step is necessary to ensure that you can receive payments and tips. Once your account is verified, you can customize your tip jar by adding a profile picture, header image, and bio. This will help customers recognize your business and understand the purpose of the tip jar. You can also set a default tip amount or allow customers to enter a custom tip amount. To share your tip jar with customers, you can generate a unique QR code or share a link to your Venmo profile. You can display the QR code at your business location or share the link on social media or via text message. Best practices for setting up a Venmo tip jar include being clear and transparent about the purpose of the tip jar, setting a default tip amount that is reasonable, and customizing your profile to reflect your business brand. It is also important to regularly monitor and respond to customer transactions and feedback to ensure a positive experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up a Venmo tip jar and start receiving tips and payments from customers. This can be a convenient and efficient way to accept payments and show appreciation for good service.